Common nouns versus proper nouns. What is a common noun? A common noun is a word for a non-specific person, place, or thing. They are usually not capitalized in a sentence. Therefore, they appear with lower case. Here are some examples of common nouns. They are the words written in red in these sentences. His father visits many museums. The dog ate a bone. My mother is kind. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a word for a specific person, place, or thing. They are usually capitalized in a sentence. Therefore, they appear with capital letter in any place in the sentence. Here are some examples of proper nouns. They are the words written in red in these sentences. My parents recently travelled to Turkey. My father's name is Simon. My favourite movie is called Happiness. Here are 3 sentences. In each of these sentences, there is both a common noun and a proper noun. The common nouns are the words in blue and the proper nouns are the words in red. Read these sentences and see if you can understand why the words in blue are common nouns and the words in red are proper nouns. I have a sister. Her name is Rakea. Spain is a very beautiful country. Every year, many people visit London. Thank you very much for watching. Leave any feedback in the comment section. Goodbye.